one of me ex them. When they home with a woman, I stress them.
Oi.
Me need my fucking at the pan.
I wish me the boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Blast, and I'm back with another reaction video for you all. Now I have Ishawna single and quarantine music video. Like this dropped 6 days ago. I never see it. What is going on? But anyways, somebody subscribe. What's your name again? I don't remember your name, but big up to yourself. Comment on this video to see here. Comment over here so in the next video I post. Okay, big up on yourself. So we also want to go on for the video. People on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So I want to subscribe to the channel right now before the video even begins. For the most lit music video reactions in the right place. All the reaction them too, because I'm not a review channel, I'm a reaction boss. You see me? But anyways, in the right place, just subscribe and support Jamaican boy. We're going for 10k subscribers for the year. That's the goal. I'm want to reach it. I want to thumb 10k in my face. So subscribe and like the video, make everybody get to see it. And screenshot and tag Ishawna. I don't know it's up already. Run tune. Wow.
Singles hoping to find their purpose.
Already. See that last night. Oh, Virgin reaction video out already. Big up the Terminal 4 media. Them video them clean. And things are going. But Ishawna watch TV and relax in her couch. She don't know it's chop already. You're tune.
Perfect match this year may feel like they've
wait, Ishawna,
hold
I'm gonna see it.
coronavirus.
Let me see there. Hold on there. Let me see. I admire what go on. Alright. A long time I don't see a Miss Legendary. Hold on. When last me hear Ishawna song? From yeah, equal rights. A long time. You're tune.
Enough good man in a prison.
Wow.
Enough good man in
Hey, that peep on me, man. Hold on there, man. That peep. It a peep on me there.
enough good
Hey,
man in a
turn up.
prison.
Turn up again. Alright. Hey, City, big up yourself. Alright. Talk up, big up yourself. Rachun.
Enough good man in a jail.
Yeah.
Enough good old man down in a quarantine and them can't get.
Booba! Ishawna, when they get so thick, baby. No, sir. But see something, I think I hear the song. I think I hear the song yet. Ishawna, how when they get so thick, baby? A long time I don't see you, da. Single and quarantine. That's like, oh, now quarantine is soon done. Before I punch out the reaction, I'm going to go a little bit. Me hear the lyrics them now. Me see already. I add my beauty here, me hear the lyrics.
Enough good old locked down in a quarantine and them can't get no bail.
I tell you. Well, them man, Ishawna, them release people from prison, man. Well, like a Jamaica. But them release people from prison because of the virus. So, don't fret. Come to America, come get them. Run through door.
Single life sucks.
Yeah.
When you're quarantine and lonely.
Aww. They left my poor baby Ishawna lonely in her bed. Look at her sucking on her fingers. Maybe watching some blue movie. You don't know. With a big old jump along in the back car. No, sir, that video have to go. Why? No. Yeah, I want to drop a like on the video. But me use like a hand sanitizer. Because when I spank Ishawna today, I want to feel it, you know. So I sanitize my hand, you know. Alright, Ishawna, you ready, baby? Suck your finger for me there. Run tune.
Me depress me, I try do my best. Me need somebody feel well.
Back up, look, lad. Back up, baby. Back up. No, hold on. We can't drive car to Jamaica, dad. I was pushing it. Me a back. Bench, you know.
To die, all one of me ex them. When they home with a woman, I stress them.
Oi.
Me need my fucking at the pan.
I wish we done right yesterday. Mama had a Jamaica flag point yesterday, the dog, right? Bad boy paradise bike a comment. Now Jamaica flag they fat. Plot clot. Drink some water. No, my lips are supposed to dry. Same thing. Ishawna, you need to stop it. Reaction boss fine you now. Run tune.
Come send it on like credit. Me tired of Netflix. Did you sell fuck flow? Me want stop.
No handcuff now go up on me. You now beat me with none of them something there. Oh, I for you. Yeah, I for you them there. I for she. Because me right now while I go on. Me I say, oh no. Them shining something there. What them shining something there? No. Fire! No! Then I handcuff. No. What are you go for first? No. And the rain start falling look harder a while ago. Hell no! You can't stop now. Alright. Run June!
Star no one freak show. You see in a time like this when the paradigm shift.
Mama, I feel it. Ishawna, what go on, baby? Ishawna, find the next one again. she find the next hit song again. I was not trend. Come check trending page of that feet. I've never seen it. What song not trend? Oh, go on. Them still vex, but equal rights. Them still vex. And if you grow up, man, but run through.
Me need to see a little rainbow. Me need a man to kick down my door and grab me and girlfriend.
Hey, me say, if me know where you live, me keep me know a long time, mama. If me didn't know where you live, me keep me know a long time. I'm saying I'm a bad charge. SCT TV come kick down the door for you. You deaf? If me didn't know where you live, me say I'm a bad charge. SCT TV come kick down your door. You only subscribe to the channel, yeah, man. 10,000 subscribers I go for. Hey, with them a reaction here, them need to see where more people. So the subscriber like the video. Run tune.
No, sanitize and come fuck me, kill me, turn me in a jail.
She said it, you know. Bend over again, I see. Bend over now. Oh, see that up on the bed. Hold on, don't move. Don't blood clot. See it there? Don't move. Me never tell you don't move. Mark more left by your blood. Class your light button on. Me not ramp with you. I'm done have be a fingerprint upon that. The blood clean. Yes, if you come, yes, if you sanitize and come. Look on that fat jumbo longo. Come to the safe Tyrekejt and June.
That last way you set it to stop me from broke. But feel like a Christmas balloon one bus cause I fool.
Hot clad girl. Bumbo clad. You know them little girl, they know them start them first videos, them first video. They must start them first video. You hear me I say? And they will look short. You know them, you don't call this now. Come on, you say we're a man. What man watch blues? If you don't watch blues, you're idiot. You see me I say? So, that's the like a schoolgirl fit. Then I say, if you don't watch blues, you're idiot, you know? You're idiot. Remember me tell you that. I lie here tell you say never watch blues in your life. Move your bum buckle, you know what I name so. Move your bum buckle and go. But anyways, that's like a schoolgirl fit. Hey, Ishawna, you're bad in the blood cleat, you know? You know what you're doing now. Make your video, yeah, my friend, and you know me seeing in the video. It's bad, me like it. Run it tune.
What in there since my pussy get?
Everybody. No, man, that's a 2 week. That's a 2 week. I 14 days she'll say, get. Me say, if you have a reaction, boss, as a man, Ishawna, you don't fly out just for the day around me. Because, if me come in, if me wake up, if you have beard, me in a shower with you. Hey, me blood, run tune.
In a quarantine, but what about my nature? The man them kubo, no kaki na shubo.
Come on now, she said the man them do what? Well, why the fuck would they walk so close to me? Anyway, she said the man them kub up. Nah, shub up. Alright, I'm calm down myself and react to the video a different way, because enough anger management, enough energy. Our energy can't be enough. Okay, that man. Energy can't be enough. Run through.
Because me anxious, me tired of Netflix. Did you sell fuck flow? I want star, I want freak show.
Every time I try to catch it, you know. Every time I try to catch it, cameraman like, nope. Yep. Nope. Yup. You see me? Every time I try to catch it, but hold on there. She just come. So she just made a video to hypnotize the whole of the man them. Every man get brainwashed. Think we not go see something, but nope. Yup. No, I calm down myself.
You see in a time like this when the paradigm shift, me need to see all the
yeah, baby.
Me need a man to kick down my door.
So, dog, just imagine you, dog. You sit on that chair in the bedroom, right? So with Ishawna, right? She live on the bed and I do that. All of them look go. You know? She a dance for you. And you just be there, you watch her. You watch her, though. Bad boy got to go and say some. A problem machine, dog. Come now, take off. No, that now come off. That's a shift. I can't let myself.
And grab me a girlfriend, she never know. Sanitize and come fuck me, kill me, turn me in a gender.
She got the hand sanitizer. Sanitizer and turn me in a jungle. Damn, no, I just watch that show there, brother. I just watch that show there on Netflix, brother. You can go check it out. It's a bad bumbucky show. I start out with things like some slavery thing. But on a slavery thing, dog. Bumbucky. Anyways. I don't know what to say again, dog. I feel like if we just end the reaction right. I said, no. Why is going on the video? After that I reach me in there. Maybe I end the video them too early and don't watch the full video. And something gonna miss me. But I finish the video, yeah, man.
Me and now my done about right now. Me feel like a blood clot virgin. If a boy a come.
I say no, someone sexy, you know, when I demand on the video and the video still shot. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna contain. I'm gonna stop talking and just watch.
Over him better come soon. 'Cause 8 o'clock curfew emerging. Christopher Tufton, never want you tough John.
Christopher Tufton. Wait a minute. No more somebody in the parliament that I don't know nobody names of the Jamaican again. I know. Shit. But what on there? My name man, that's where you sang no God. Cause them people are, you know, people tired already, you know. Me not going for that.
I'm all under quarantine no long. Every girl from the argument real on attack the people. Them man call we tired and it.
That means up on Instagram, you know. I be people man get tagged in the comment section and them and I look clip them, you know. Nah man, Ishawna, you looking too good. You did me I say. I need to cut that. I need to behave myself. You know, I gotta behave myself. People want to comment some more if you don't know what I react to. You understand me? Reaction boss here. Also to the viewers them and you know what I mean? So just go and comment some new music video. You know me I gonna enjoy it. You did me I say? I know you gonna enjoy me reacting too. So do the right thing. You did me I say 10,000 subscribers you go for. You don't know it chop already.
Did yourself on flow? Star road freak show. You see in a time like this when the paradigm.
Well on there, that we enter while I go up. She take on something and I walk, you know. I know I'm not ramping already, you know. Cause I want to see something, you know. You did me I say,
Shift we need to see all the rainbow. Me need a man to kick down me door.
come in, cameraman. Cameraman, we depend by your cameraman. Cameraman, we nearly end the video a while ago, cameraman. We are depend by your cameraman. We are depend by your.
Sanitize and come fuck me, kill me, turn me in a gender.
Cameraman, dog. We are depend by your cameraman. Don't make the use them feel proud, dog. Cameraman. 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 Cameraman, cameraman,
No
cameraman,
good man in a prison.
cameraman. He's like, nope. Yep. Cameraman, dog. We start to chant, cameraman. Cameraman, we start to chant. Listen, cameraman.
Good man in a
Cameraman.
Enough good lock down in a
Cameraman. I know, oh my God, no blood clue. Let me see if he show it. Why-oh!
Enough good lock down in a quarantine and them can't get no bail.
Cameraman dog. Since you not do the right thing, me do it myself. You hear me I say? Oh my God, yeah, man. Like your video and subscribe. That cameraman I move like a fat punash.